Well, I think this video has been a long time coming. It's time to clean the car. You guys know this car has not been cleaned in how long now? 6 months, I think, since I got the car back. I swear it's something like that. I maybe cleaned it maybe once with like a quick wipe down before we went on a track day, but it is filthy with soot and dirt and just everything, and it's probably the most requested thing, as you can see, to do. So we're finally going to clean it before we record any more videos. We're going to have a nice, clean, white car. Exactly, see, even the car is begging to be cleaned. So let's get on with it.
Tools of the trade. Obviously the Imperial leather is not part of that.
Oh, it could be.
That's for you afterwards.
Moving too fast, didn't see the way our love couldn't last. Now I'm stuck replaying what I put you through. Every night I'm haunted by the thought of you. If you need my loving, call me and I'll step on through. Then we can talk all night long. If you want this loving, then call me and I'll drive to you. Then we can touch all night long. Just call me and I'll come through.
First things first is cleaning the dirtiest white wheels on the internet. I gave it to my next door neighbour like half an hour ago. She actually turned it off and I never did. I just leave it on.
It is incredibly cold. Look how red my hands are.
That was a bad idea.
That was a terrible idea, because considering it's freezing.
I really wish it was hot enough for me to wear my hot pink bikini, but it's not. Oh yeah. Oh, you dirty boy. Anyways, when it's summer, I need to take these wheels off and give them like a proper deep clean, because from these powder coated wheels, and I've had them for a long time, is you'll see once they're dry, they're still yellow. Rather than like the grey black like brake dust, they're like yellow, and they're basically staining yellow, the powder coat on them. And the only way to get rid of it is to literally
Re-powder coat?
No, not re-powder coat them. You actually need to go and get polishing compound, like really good polishing compound, and polish the tyres clean. Like obviously this thick black stuff it's dirt, isn't it? But you can see like in here and stuff, it's like stained yellow.
You can see it when I zoom in there, look.
Yeah, and that's just stained yellow, and the only way to get rid of it is actually a compound rub down. But then again, it's like, is it even worth it? Because they really do need re-powder coating, because they just, I've curved them a lot. And by me I mean someone else was driving it and curved them.
Just in case you're unaware, absolutely nobody else except for Mike can actually drive this car, because he's the only one that fits in the seat. So
I can still blame other people though.
yeah, accountability.
I say, it doesn't have to be the cleanest, it's just trying to get rid of some of the grebbiness out of the car, because it's well overdue, but it's too cold to spend hours detailing the car.
I would like to draw your attention back to my hands and how red they are from being just stood here.
Clean and the dirty book. snow foam time.
Snow foam.
Oh, I love snow foam. It is literally the greatest creation by man. Dude! Performance issues. It's common. So I've heard. Bang! And the dirt is gone. I got a bit foamy.
A little bit.
Hesitation creeping in, but you look so good and I know what you're offering. Phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Yeah, my phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Is it the liquor?
When do we get to peel all the stickers off it?
Do you want to do that before? Do you want to do it now?
Now?
We can do it right now. We could put the RRP ones on.
Oh. Oh. Which ones are we peeling off?
Well, there's a bit of background behind unknown company behind snow foam here. So let's just... Come on, I know they're on really well.
They are on really well.
I thought this would be a simple peel job. Oh, ASMR. We're an alright engine, I guess.
Yeah!
And we're responsible. We pick up our recycling.
Yes.
My desires are so real. Got me caught up in this rhythm. Draw me in, make me feel. Draw me in.
That did not go to plan at all.
No.
It's meant to like drop in and be all like sexy. Not the right word.
But you look so good and I know what you're offering. Phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Yeah, my phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Is it the liquor in my system? My desires are so real.
It's almost like it's stained by some flammable, fiery fire.
Allegedly.
Weird.
In this rhythm, draw me in and make me feel.
Oh wait, I missed out the boot. And last but not least, the ceramic wax.
Hesitation creeping in,
The world's dirtiest car has finally been cleaned after, oh, I don't know. What did we say? Was it 3,000 miles? It literally, like, I haven't cleaned it since it came back. I think I might have once wiped it down a little bit, and that was it. So, yeah, it was pretty dirty, I'm not going to lie, and didn't get everything really that clean. I mean, you know, I didn't do a deep clean because it's freezing. My hands are so cold, and I just want to go inside and get warm. There's one last check that we need to do. It's a main thing to do on rotary engines, really. Well, I mean, any car, but mainly rotary engines especially. We've got to pop the hood, and we've got to check the oil. So both oils, actually, the 2-stroke tank and the normal engine oil tank. So obviously, Rory drinks a lot of oil. We all know this, and mine actually does finally drink oil, unlike what it used to do back in the day. So we've got to check that real quick, because it's been a couple journeys now where I haven't really checked it in a couple fill-ups, so usually that means it's getting close to it, and because I live on a bit of a hill as well, and because of like the baffled sump and everything, it usually does go lower a bit quicker than usual because of that. So we'll check it anyways. I mean, obviously the low oil like works, but I don't really like running it that low. So let's go check it now and see what it's like. I really do love the look under this engine bay now. It just looks so much better, apart from that bit of rust. Anyways, so that's what we need to check. Obviously, let's make sure we actually check the oil and not that, because I still fear that I'm going to mix these two up between the windscreen wiper and the 2-stroke, and I think shooting 2-stroke at your windscreen is not a good idea. So let's check that first, and then we'll check the engine oil. It's a bit hard with one hand this way. There we go. Let's see what we're looking like. Ooh, I actually can't see too well in there. I think I need a bit of light. So you see the oil line there, you can just about see it on camera. That's actually all right. It's got enough 2-stroke in it. Probably needs filling up in a couple more fill-ups, but I think for now we'll actually just leave it that, because it gives it time to expand and stuff with the oil getting hot. So let's pop it back on. Let's check and see. Oh, that's looking good already. Let's just clean it up. Right, let's give that a check now that we've cleaned it. And that, ooh, where are we? There we go. Looks perfect to me. That's one thing that we're doing here. We do need a quick trip to Mazda at some point to get some fresh coolant as well, because I actually don't have any FL22 coolant. And that there, the brake fluid definitely needs changing at some point soon, especially before the track day. So, because that brake fluid's been in a while and it definitely needs changing. So we'll get that job done, but it's a job for another day. Well, that's it. The car is finally clean. It's took a long time coming on the channel. I mean, it's literally been like 6 months since it's had a proper clean, which is freaking mental, by the way. So it's had a lot of dirt, it's had a lot of soot, well in need of clean. Not the deepest clean ever, but again, it's far too cold. I mean, like, what, it was 30 mile an hour and 1 Celsius out. My hands are freezing. I'm gonna go in, get nice and warm, and I thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, because the car is finally clean. The dirtiest car on the internet is finally clean, and you know, the next video we're actually gonna have a clean car, but let's see how long it'll stay like that.